Welcome to qnawire.
So in this question, we have 4 reactions, but in each reaction, one final product is missing. And we have to look at these reactions and look at the properties, like what is the strangeness, what is the electric charge, before and after the reaction. And because of the conservation law, we know these numbers must be the same before and after the reaction. So with this knowledge, we will be able to identify properties of this missing particle and find out what this missing particle is. So let's first try to find out what particle is missing for part A. For part A, we have proton, and let's try to identify the charge. Previously, we have charge +1, charge +1. After the reaction, the charge is +1. We do not have any charge over here, so the final charge must be +1. And then, let's look at the baryon number. The baryon number for all of these is +1. So the baryon number is 0. And finally, we look at the strangeness. The strangeness of proton is 0. The strangeness of 0, 0, 0. This is strangeness. This is baryon number. This is electric charge. And the strangeness here is -1. So in order for the strangeness to conserve, it must have a strangeness of +1. And then we can go back to the table and check which particle has a charge of +1 and a strangeness of +1, but a baryon number of 0. So we'll find that the only particle that satisfies this condition is kappa plus. And then let's look at the second question. The second one, we have the baryon number is again, it's 0 because baryon number, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, so this is 0. And the charge is -1 because we have -1, 0, 0, so it must be -1. And then let's look at the strangeness. The strangeness, Q, for kappa minus is -1, 0, -1, strangeness is 0. So baryon number 0, strangeness 0, charge -E, and then this particle has to be -pion. Then let's look at part C. Let's look at the charge. Charge is 0. This is +1, -1, so it's total 0. And then let's look at baryon number. Baryon number cancel each other before, because we have +1 and -1, +1, so it must also be -1 because the total has to be 0 before and after the reaction. Finally, the strangeness. Strangeness for everything is 0. So we have 0 charge, 0 strangeness, -1 baryon number. So this particle has to be anti-neutron, actually. It has to be an anti-neutron. So finally, let's look at the last one. For the last reaction, I'm going to write it here. Plus proton equals neutron plus something. Let's look at the charge. And the charge, this is plus E, 0, 0, so it has to be plus E. The baryon number, 0, 1, 1, the baryon number has to be 0. Finally, the strangeness is 0 for all. So we have positive charge, but 0 strangeness and 0 baryon number. Again, we look up the table, and this particle is charged muon.